This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn spent most of its time trading right around unchanged yesterday. It was interesting to see a National Ag Statistical Services report which showed corn used for ethanol in April at 245 million bushels, which is down from 371.5 million the previous month and 440 million a year ago in this, for April. Now, marketing year-to-date usage is at 3.422 billion bushels. That's down from 3.627 billion a year ago. The USDA is projecting that we're going to use 4.95 billion bushels of corn this year to create ethanol, and that's still possible if the U.S. can achieve gasoline usage at 92% of normal rate for the June, July, and August time period. So I think the corn balance sheet is going to be very dependent on the speed at which our economy recovers. In the overnight trade, we have spot corn futures trading a penny lower as I record this. Soybeans rallied with the confirmation that China had purchased at least 2 cargoes of U.S. beans on Monday. Yesterday also saw the USDA announce the sale of 132,000 metric tons of soybeans for the 2020-21 crop year. Now, the U.S. does have an advantage over Brazil for the August and forward time slot. There's still some July offers from Brazil that are cheaper than the U.S., but the Brazil basis is rising quickly and removing that competitiveness. In the overnight trade, we have spot soybean futures trading 3 cents higher. Wheat was weaker in both the U.S. and EU markets yesterday. A significant world supply is making this a tough market to gin up bullish enthusiasm for. In the export market, Ukraine got the Egyptian business yesterday. The U.S. offer was $220 per metric ton FOB shores, while the Ukraine came in at $221 per ton delivered to Egypt. In the overnight trade, we're bouncing back a little bit. Chicago is 3 cents higher. Kansas City is up 4, and Minneapolis is trading a couple cents higher as I record this. Cotton futures continue to work their way higher, with July futures finishing up 31 cents, settling at 60.37. In the overnight trade, they're up an additional 17. Livestock futures, on the other hand, were lower straight across the board yesterday. August live cattle finished the day $2.77.5 lower. August feeder cattle finished the session $2.70 lower. Lean hog futures were a touch weaker, with July futures down 27.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures had a huge day. We had June futures closing up 63 points as they settled at 1960, and we're trading an additional 5 points higher in the overnight as I record this. Meat cutout values continue to get pummeled yesterday. Choice box beef was $22.42 lower as it closed at $318.73, while select boxes were down $26.25 to settle at $290.58. Pork carcass cutout values hit the skids as well, finishing $6.67 lower as they closed at $74.37 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.